Good morning, judges. This is our Imagine Cup submission. We are from Dunman High School, Singapore. We chose to work on the topic Earth for the AI for a Good initiative. Our student team name is the Falcon Group. Now, I will be first identifying the problem. Nowadays, we see trash everywhere, and these have many detrimental effects, such as pollution, and when disposed of on grassland, it chemically pollutes the soil. Trash are breeding grounds for bacteria, which will cause many diseases.
Hence, our main targets for rubbish would be cigarette butts and gum, which account for more than 50% of all litter and usually pose difficulties in removal. All this litter and rubbish pose a threat both environmentally and socially. For our robot idea, we have decided on a drone with an arm attachment that will be used for picking up trash. There will also be a WD dashboard which assists in removing persistent gums. As seen on the slides, other useful attachments are also added. The computer vision model that we are planning to use is the model SOUPS, and for our dataset, we are planning to use WasteNet, a very large database for images of waste. For our impact section, this robot will help improve the cleanliness of the streets and also raise awareness regarding the cleanliness of streets and help the fill in for the missing manpower of the cleaning and hygiene industry.
Now, moving on to ethics and cybersecurity. We believe the security and the safety of the robots are obviously the most important apart from the usefulness of a robot to the community. First is ethics. In order to prevent incidents from happening at night, we've made the drone neon color and gave out light when it's coming down to pick up trash. This ensures people will not be hit by the drone and no incident will occur. For cybersecurity, we think there are two organizations control the drone so the drone can recognize the location where it's being controlled to decide whether to follow the command or not. For example, if one site gets hacked, the drones will then immediately take orders from other parties to ensure hackers and criminal organizations cannot control the drones. The passcode for accessing the drones will also be changed weekly to enhance the difficulty for them to get hacked. In conclusion, our takeaways from the activity is that rubbish and litters are in abundance, and that it is essential to solve this increasingly worrying issue before irreversible damage is done.